It was a warm Saturday afternoon when Nora saw Mr. Jenkins, her neighbor, struggling to use the old wooden ramp outside his house. His wheelchair wobbled every time he tried to come down, and it made Nora worry. Later that evening, Nora asked her mom, "Why doesn't Mr. Jenkins get a new ramp?" Her mom replied, "He wants to, sweetheart, but it cost a lot of money. He's saving up." Nora thought for a moment. "Can I help him?" The next morning, Nora set up a little table outside her house with a bright sign, "Fresh lemonade, $1. All money goes to help Mr. Jenkins." She squeezed lemons, added just the right amount of sugar, and poured the cool drink into cups with a smile. Some neighbors came for the lemonade, but many came because they loved Nora's kind heart. By the end of the day, Nora had collected $32. The next weekend, she did it again. And again. Soon, other kids in the neighborhood joined her, bringing cookies, crafts, and homemade signs. Everyone wanted to help. Nora learned that when people work together, even the smallest efforts add up to something big. She also discovered how wonderful it feels to do something kind just because it's the right thing to do. After 3 weeks, they had over $250. When Nora handed the envelope to Mr. Jenkins, his eyes filled with tears. "I don't even know what to say," he whispered. "You didn't just raise money, you raised love." A few weeks later, a smooth, shiny new ramp was installed. Mr. Jenkins rolled down with ease, waving happily at Nora. She beamed back. "I just sold lemonade," she said. But everyone knew it was more than that. It was a reminder that small hands, big hearts, and a little lemonade can change someone's life, and that kindness, no matter how small, always matters. You don't need to be big to do something amazing. Just look at Nora. She had a caring heart and the courage to start with one lemonade stand. Even little hands can make a big impact.